it just wasn't the right thing to do. First, I'm an ate too. Hindi kasi nila magets ba na, something like that. Sana, kung concerned man siya, sana, kung alam naman pala niya na nangyayari, then she should have never stood with him when he ran for president. Hindi kasi ako makarelate sa ginawa niya because personally hindi ko kasi kukonsintihin ang brother ko. That's why my brother and I were not very close. There was a happening even before he got married between us, and after that, and it never quite got fixed, and personal na namin yon. But magkaiba kasi. Pag nag-aaway kasi kami ng kapatid ko, hindi damay ang buong Pilipinas. Ang problema kasi kay Amy at kay Bongbong, nag-aaway sila, buong bansa ang nadadamay. Destabilisasyon. 'Di ba? You get what I mean? And isa pa, kahit man yung kapatid ko and I, we are not close. But I love my sister-in-law so much. I really super duper do. Even to the point that yes, aaminin ko, mas mahal ko pa yung sister-in-law ko kaysa sa brother ko. Aminado ako dyan. Kaya, with what she did, una sa lahat, ba't mo pinatakbong presidente? 'Di ba? Kaberks kayo ni Sara. So, bakit mo pinayagan na yan ang, 'di ba? Ang piliin ni Sara bilang maging presidente. So, that's what I mean. 'Di ba? Di sana, nung time na yon, siya na lang yung tumakbong presidente. Kasi yun naman ang gusto niya eh. Pero ang problema kasi, hindi yun ang bilin ng tatay nila. Ang bilin kasi ng tatay nila, si Bongbong talaga ang magiging presidente at hindi siya. Hindi si Manang. So, pero ito I do not know if this is true. Ito lang ang mga sabi-sabi ng mga Marcos loyalists na nagsabi sa akin, ha? So, this is not, a personal attack or whatever to Manang Aimee, because ang akin lang talaga is that if she is concerned, then she would have done something. She would have never let him run for president. Yun lang. It just starts and ends there. Because as an ate, kahit anong mangyari, okay? Kahit anong mangyari, kapatid mo pa rin yan. And you could have chosen to stand by what you said from the very start. Hindi mo dapat siya pinatakbong presidente kung gano'n naman pala ang nangyayari. At sa pagkakaalam ko kasi, ang hirap mo kasing maging addict kung isa lang naman ang functioning kidney mo. Di sana ang tagal lang namatay ni PBBM, di ba? And to think, alam niyo ba yan that he got very sick before he ran for president? So, paano? So, anyway, basta, that's it. That's all I can say about it. Kasi ate din ako. But I would never do that to my brother, even if hindi kami close. And to think, mas close si Manang Aimee at yung si PBBM, siguro closer, no? Between me and my brother. But I would never do that to my brother. But yun nga, uulitin ko, pag nag-away kami ng brother ko, kahit nagsuntukan na kami, hindi naman nadadamay ang mga Pilipino, be. Hindi naman nabago ang ekonomiya. Ang ginawa kasi niya, destabilisasyon yun eh. Diba? You betrayed your own brother. And with that, I would never ever take her side. Yun lang. I hope this is clear.
Mayong buntag. I'm now in Terminal 2 waiting for Daya to arrive. I just flew in from Cebu. And Daya is flying in from Butuan. She's gonna get here in I think an hour. And I'm trying to take a nap, but I think sleep has left me yet again. We have a full day layover here in Manila. Our flight tonight to Bali is at 7. So yeah, it's a full day. I'm craving steak, so we're gonna go to Makati for that. So yeah, we are in our 30s. We decided to do a sister trip for the first time. And Mama was sweet enough to send us baon. She sent us baon. I'm excited. I'm excited to see what's in Bali. I'm excited to go to the spa and taste all the restaurants that we booked. Just a fully exciting trip. Ingat! I'm not going to be here for Valentine's Day, but I did not want to leave without leaving Tony a Valentine. So you guys know I bought a kit, a Valentine card kit from Copenhagen. Sorry, Flying Tiger, Copenhagen. So this is the envelope. It has his name on it. And then I made him tiny cards. So here, that's number 1, and then that's number 2, 3, 4,
I put them inside this envelope and I'm going to seal it. There, I sealed it. Aww. He actually made me 2 cards, which I will bring with me to Bali. But this is Tony's Valentine. What to? So, syempre, ang among first order of business, mag-igsoon, is mangaon. So, we are here in Texas Roadhouse. Syempre, potato skins is the place to be. Hindi lagi na mayo, it's sour cream. So good. Buyag. Alam mo yung food. Mga unta. Wa say diet ron. Kay bakasyon.